We buy our microphone cable in bulk. It comes on a spool. This is our flexible microphone cable that we have been buying for about 20 years. It's the Belden 1800F. It's 2-conductor cable with a braided shield, and I think this might have been like a 500-foot reel of cable. So what I do is I have a metal pole that I put in the cable reel, and then I put that between two chairs so that I can just roll this out in the hallway to the desired length. These I've been making now are 25 feet. So we get back to the beginning here, and we get some cutters, and we mark out our 25 feet.